So myself, Tamil Vanan, I'm working as a principal engineer in Arcesium. Today I would like to share my findings on multi-cluster, multi-region Kubernetes challenge and how we tackle network cost and pod startup delays. So this is how our setup looks like. We have a cluster spread across multiple regions, and we have our container registry sit in one of the region, which is US East 1. Let's say we have a cluster in AP South 2, and whenever the pod starts, it needs to pull the image from all the way from US East 1 region. That leads to two main problems, which is image pulls are delayed because of the round trip across region. Due to that, we are seeing a noticeable pod startup delays. Apart from that, we have a cross-regional data transfer, right? So whenever there is a cross-regional data transfer, you need to pay for it. So whenever the number of cluster grows, as well as the number of application keep increasing, our net cost is keep increasing actually. So these are some of the options we have considered early, like cloning the registries or the repositories across all the regions, but this unnecessarily duplicate all the images across region. So we end up having images which is not used in the particular region. So it doesn't bring the cost benefit we are looking for. And we've explored other registries as well, like a Harbor, which is a full-fledged registry. We are looking for a lightweight option. So the Harbor is a little heavy for us, and running it for each region adds a complexity as well as additional cost. For our use case, we found Zot, perfect fit for us because it's very lightweight. We can run it in each cluster. So a little bit about Zot. Zot is a OCI compliant registry. It's a CNCF sandbox project. For our use case, we have configured Zot as a pull-through cache. Pull-through cache in the means it fetches the image on demand. And we have configured S3 as a backend store for us. You can configure any block storage. So whenever the image pull happens, let's say in other region, let's say AP South 2, for example, for the first attempt, the image pull goes to Zot, and Zot will try to get the image from the main registry, which is a ECR in US East 1 for our case. And then it will cache the registry, cache the image locally in its data store. In this case, it is S3. So for the subsequent image pulls, it will serve locally. It no need to go all the way to US East 1. Those solves the problems which we have faced. So there is no cross-regional data transfer because with Zot, the image pull happens within the region. And the pod startup time is also improved because it happens locally within the particular region. And Zot also provides a retention policy as well. So it automatically prunes unused image. So you can have a rules where you can clean up the images based on the rules you define. Like if you want to clean up the image and only you want to maintain the last two stable images or whatever rules available, you can take a look. This helps to reduce your storage cost as well. These are some of the stats. With Zot deployed, when the image is not present on the particular node, we found the image pulls are 60% faster with Zot, and we didn't pay additional cost for the cross-regional data transfer, which saved 0.0 GB per GB. So based on the number of application at scale, it is a huge number for us. And it had a limit on ECR rate limits we had in our system. So with that, these are some of the reference you can see. You can go to the Zot registry link and read more about it. And these are some of the contribution I have did it to the Zot when I tried it out. So that's all. Thank you.